And once your background check finally clears and your account moves forward, you'll know the issue is resolved. In most cases, a Dasher background check taking forever is caused by pending reviews, missing information, or third-party verification delays, and these steps help speed things up. If the delay continues for several days or more than a week, staying patient but proactive is important. Continue following up with DoorDash support, as repeated follow-ups often help escalate your case to the right team. Before that, you should also reach out directly to Checker, the service that handles DoorDash background checks. Log into the Checker candidate portal to review your status and confirm that all your information is accurate. Even small errors in your details can cause unnecessary delays. Another important step is checking your email carefully. Look for any messages related to your background check, including your spam or junk folders. Sometimes requests for additional documents or clarification are missed, which can pause the entire process. If your background check shows as pending for too long, contact DoorDash support directly. Ask them about the delay and be ready to provide any additional information they request. Delays can happen due to court closures, incomplete applications, or system backlogs. Before doing anything else, always start by checking your background check status through the DoorDash candidate portal. This gives you a clear idea of where your application stands and whether action is needed from your side. Hello and welcome back to the channel. In this video, we explained how to fix a DoorDash background check, taking forever using simple and practical steps. If this video helped you, don't forget to subscribe for more helpful guides. Thanks for watching.